Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to do rotation and illustration notation of 2 by 2 by 2 cube. So let's begin. This is R, means right clockwise. So we will do like this. This is R prime, means right counterclockwise. So we will do like this. This is L, means left clockwise. So we will do like this. This is L prime, means left counterclockwise. So we will do like this. This is U, means up clockwise. So we will do like this. This is U prime, means up counterclockwise. So we will do like this. This is D, means down clockwise. So we will do like this. This is D prime, means down counterclockwise. So we will do like this. This is F, means front clockwise. So we will do like this. This is F prime, means front counterclockwise. So we will do like this. This is B, means back clockwise. So we will do like this. This is B prime, means back counterclockwise. So we will do like this. Now you have learned how to do rotation and illustration notation of 2 by 2 by 2 cube. Thank you for watching.